Your kitchen is the heart of your home, the place where meals are made and memories are shared, but the pantry? That's often the hidden source of daily frustration, quietly lurking behind a closed door. It's where good intentions go to get lost. Half-empty boxes, mystery cans, and forgotten bags from years ago. Sometimes, you might even find things you didn't know you had, buried behind layers of clutter. Finding what you need can feel like an archaeological dig, sifting through expired snacks and long-lost ingredients just to make a simple meal. The classic small pantry problem. Too much stuff, not enough space, and no system to keep it all in check. It's a recipe for chaos that sneaks up on even the most organized families. This chaos doesn't just look messy, it makes cooking harder, wastes money on duplicate or expired items, and adds stress you might not even notice until it's too late. A disorganized pantry can make your whole home feel out of control, turning what should be a joyful space into a daily headache. But you're not alone. Almost everyone with a small pantry faces this battle, no matter how tidy the rest of their home may be. Those magazine-perfect pantries. They're not just for people with huge kitchens or big budgets. Even the smallest spaces can be transformed with the right approach. The real secret isn't size, it's how you use the space you have, making every inch work smarter for you and your family. With the right system, your pantry can become a functional, beautiful part of your home, a place that inspires you instead of overwhelming you. Imagine opening that door and feeling calm, seeing everything at a glance, ready to use. No more frantic searching or last-minute grocery runs for things you already own. This isn't a fantasy. With a little time, some creativity, and smart strategies, it's your new reality waiting to happen. We'll walk through the process together, step by step, so you never feel overwhelmed or alone in the journey. Let's turn that zone of chaos into a sanctuary of order, where everything has its place, and every meal starts with a sense of ease. Your kitchen, and your life, will thank you for making this change every single day. Ready to begin the journey to pantry perfection? The transformation starts now. Let's get started. The first step to any organization project? Start with a clean slate. It's the foundation for lasting change, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. Empty your pantry. Yes, every single item. Don't leave anything behind, not even that jar tucked in the back corner. Lay everything out on a clear surface so you can see what you're working with. This step helps you take stock of your entire inventory and makes the next steps much easier. As you remove items, loosely group them. Canned goods, baking supplies, grains, snacks. This will help you see what you have in abundance and what you might be missing. It might feel overwhelming, but this is crucial. Taking everything out is the only way to truly assess your space and your needs. You'll probably find surprises, expired spices, forgotten snacks, duplicates, maybe even a few things you didn't know you had. Don't judge, just observe. This is about moving forward, not feeling guilty about what's been hiding in your pantry. Once empty, give your pantry a thorough cleaning. Wipe shelves, sweep the floor, clean the walls. Take a moment to get into all the corners and crevices. A fresh space is motivating and symbolic. You're wiping away old clutter for a new beginning. It's a chance to reset your habits and routines. Stand back and look at your empty pantry. It's a blank canvas. Imagine the possibilities and how you want it to look and function. Now, you can see the true dimensions and start imagining how you want it to function. Take measurements if you need to, and think about what's been working and what hasn't. Do you need more vertical storage? Would a different shelf setup work better? Maybe you want to add bins or baskets for smaller items. Before putting anything back, make a plan. Sketch out ideas or jot down notes about how you want to organize things this time. This is your chance to fill the space with intention and order. Every item should have a purpose and a place. The fun really begins now. You're not just cleaning, you're creating a system that will make your life easier. Let's get ready to design your perfect pantry. With a little planning, you'll set yourself up for success. The possibilities are endless. Your new pantry is just waiting for your personal touch. With everything out and your shelves sparkling clean, it's time to make some decisions. This is your chance to reset your pantry and only keep what truly serves you and your family. Pick up each item and ask yourself, is it expired? Do I actually use this? Will my family eat it? Or has it just been taking up space? Be honest as you go through each product. Check expiration dates carefully. Spices lose their flavor over time, oils can go rancid, and even canned goods have a shelf life. Don't forget to check the back of your shelves for forgotten items. Make a pile for expired or stale items and let them go. No guilt needed. Clearing out the old makes room for the fresh and useful. Next, look for duplicates or half-used packages. Consolidate open boxes to save space and reduce clutter. This step helps you see what you actually have. Now be honest about what you really use. If something's been untouched for a year or more, it's probably time to let it go. Don't hold on to food out of guilt or wishful thinking. Unopened, non-expired food can be donated to a local food bank or shelter. It's a great way to help others while clearing your space. Remember, this isn't about waste. It's about giving food a chance to be enjoyed by someone who needs it. You're making a positive impact. What's left should be only what you love, use, and need. Your pantry will feel lighter and more purposeful. Group these keepers into logical categories: breakfast, dinner staples, baking, snacks, canned goods. This makes it easy to find what you need. These categories are the foundation of your new, organized system. They'll help you maintain order long after today. With everything in its place, you'll find it so much easier to grab what you need and put groceries away. You've conquered the clutter and set yourself up for success. Now, let's build a system that works for you. Customized with bins, labels, and organizers that fit your space and your habits. The real transformation starts here. Enjoy your fresh start and the peace of a truly organized pantry. Most people waste vertical space in their pantry. Don't just line things up. Think in layers. Stackable shelf organizers or risers double your storage instantly. Place cans or jars underneath. Stack more on top. Now you can see everything at a glance. Over-the-door organizers are game changers for snacks, spices, or foil. Move these items to the door and free up shelf space for bulkier things. Use the top shelf for rarely used items in labeled bins. Floor space? Perfect for heavy bags or bulk items in baskets. Every surface is an opportunity for smart storage. Maximize every inch. Your small pantry can hold more than you think. Let's make every space work for you. Want instant order? Decant dry goods into clear, uniform containers. Bulky bags and boxes waste space and create mess. Airtight containers keep food fresh and visible. You'll always know what you have and when to restock. Matching containers create a calm, cohesive look. Choose stackable, square, or rectangular containers to maximize shelf space. Decant new groceries right away. It becomes a satisfying habit. Recycle packaging immediately to keep clutter out. This small ritual connects you to your food and reinforces your system. Your pantry will look and function like a gourmet shop. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. Organization never looked so good. Baskets and bins are the secret to a tidy pantry. They corral small, awkward items, chips, snacks, spice packets, keeping shelves neat. Baskets act like drawers. Slide them out to see everything inside. Use wire baskets for produce, woven bins for snacks. Create categories. Breakfast bars, baking mixes, international foods. For kids, a low basket of snacks empowers independence and keeps mess contained. Stick to a consistent style or color for a calming look. Measure shelves before buying bins for a perfect fit. Grouping like items in bins makes your system easy to use and maintain. Organization is now effortless for the whole family. The final touch? Labels. Labels turn a pretty pantry into a functional one. No more guessing what's inside. Choose a style you love, handwritten, vinyl, or chalkboard. Be specific. Label containers with details like all-purpose flour or brown sugar. Add expiration dates on the back or bottom for freshness. Label baskets and bins too. Snacks, pasta, baking. Labels make it easy for everyone to find and put away items. They're the silent communicators that keep your system running. With labels, your pantry stays organized day after day. Empower your whole family to keep order. You've done the hard work. Now, how do you keep it tidy? The secret is small, consistent habits. When you bring home groceries, put them away properly right away. Decant, sort, recycle packaging. Don't let bags pile up. Clutter starts small. Do a quick pantry reset once a week. Tidy up, wipe spills, check what you need. This takes just 10 minutes and keeps mess from building up. Get your family on board. Show them where everything goes. Labels and clear containers make it easy for everyone. When everyone knows the system, they're more likely to use it. An organized pantry is a team effort. Small habits keep your pantry calm and clutter-free. Enjoy the ease of a system that works for you. Step back and admire your work. Open your pantry and feel the calm. No more stress or searching. A well-organized pantry saves time, money, and makes cooking a joy. Meal planning and shopping are easier. Food waste goes down. You've reclaimed time and energy for what matters most. This project proves you can create positive change at home. Your pantry is now a source of pride and efficiency. Let it remind you daily that small, intentional acts build a beautiful life. You've created a system that serves your family for years to come. Your pantry now tells a story of order, calm, and a life well lived.